Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video I will show you how you can easily install Dopamine 2 RootHide on iOS 16.7.16 on all of your supported devices. Yes, I made a guide already with the PaleRain RootHide or PaleHide, but that method was very complex. It wasn't very easy. That's why I'm making this fresh guide. Also, the same method works for iOS 15.8.8 on all of your supported devices without issues. That's why I will mention both iOS 16.7.16 and iOS 15.8.8 in the title, description and in the thumbnail so that you can know that the same method works for these two versions. The good thing is that if you are having iOS 15.8.8 device, you can also install Dopamine 2 RootHide using the TrollStore. So if you want to install TrollStore installation method is in the description for you. After installing it via TrollStore, you can complete the process on device. But for iOS 16.7.16, you will have to install Dopamine 2 RootHide via Impactor, Sideloadly or iLoader. So now we will move to the computer. Once you're on your computer, simply head to the official GitHub page for Dopamine 2 RootHide. As you can see it right here, Dopamine 2 RootHide is completely free, it is safe to use, and it is used to fix jailbreak detection in apps mainly, which means that if an app is not working while you are jailbroken, Dopamine 2 RootHide helps you run it while you are jailbroken. Now, from the official GitHub page, if you check out releases, you can see we have this Dopamine IPA file right here under assets. Before you get it, make sure that you temporarily turn off Defender. This will assure that the process goes on smoothly. Make sure that you enable it after Dopamine app or Dopamine 2 RootHide app is installed onto your device. As you can see, I already got the IPA here. Now to install it, you can use Impactor, you can also use Sideloadly, and of course use iLoader. So it's your choice. But before you use any of those tools or Impactor, make sure that you have installed iTunes on your computer. You can simply head to the official website for Apple, for iTunes, and get it from here and install it like any other app, and make sure you restart your computer once after iTunes is installed. Once done, you can move to Impactor Work Sample. You can get it from its official GitHub page. It is also completely free. Simply scroll down and you will see releases. If you scroll down and under assets, you will find this file. This is Windows x86-64. Simply get it to your PC and install it like any other app. I recommend restarting your computer once so that we are sure it works correctly. Next, simply connect your device via USB and keep it unlocked, and then you can simply fire up Impactor and your device should show up here. If you're using Impactor for the very first time, simply head to this gear icon, then hit add account and add your Apple ID. Any Apple ID will work here. Once added, it will show up above. Once complete, go back, and from there you can select the IPA, or you can also simply drag and drop the IPA onto Impactor. Now hit install and wait for the process to finish. Once done, you will see finished here, and you will see Dopamine 2 RootHide app at your home screen. The computer part is now complete. Now we are back on device. You can see Dopamine 2 RootHide app is now the home screen. Now before you can open it, go to settings, then go to general, then go to device management, and you will have to trust this app from here. Before you trust it, make sure Wi-Fi is connected. Once this is trusted, you'll have to do one more thing. Go back one step to the settings main page, and from there go to privacy and security, then scroll all the way down and you will find developer mode here. It will be off, turn it on from here. Also, developer mode will only show up once the app is installed. It will not show up before you install the app. Now simply restart, go back home, and you'll see this dialog. Hit on turn on and developer mode is now on. Once everything is done, now you can open Dopamine 2 RootHide. You will have the option to jailbreak, select Celio as a package manager and continue. Now simply enter the passcode for sudo. I recommend using alphabets. Once you enter the password, simply hit on set and wait for the process to finish. Alright, we are in and you will see Celio and the RootHide app on your home screen now. Open Celio, allow, just go to sources first and refresh all sources. Then go to packages and make sure you upgrade all packages. Hit on done and simply close Celio from the app switcher and reopen it. Now we will install a tweak, show you that tweaks work and how will we install them. I will go to search and search for a tweak called Ampere. It is completely free. Search for it, hit on get and you will see this dialog. Simply hit get patcher. Then hit on get again. You will see these packages queued. Hit on confirm and then hit done. Now again hit on get and you will see this dialog again. Hit on convert. Now make sure rootless compat layer button is selected. Sometimes if some tweaks are not working for you, you can try the other options before you convert a dev file, but mostly rootless compat layer will work. Next hit convert.deb. Alright, now hit on Celio. Then hit on get again. You will see these packages queued. Allocate and preference loader will automatically install if it is required. Hit on confirm. Now hit on reboot device. This will actually not reboot it, but it will do a user space reboot. Alright, once you are in, you can go to settings, scroll all the way down and you will see your tweak right here. We will hit it and we will turn it on. Alright, if you see closely at the battery icon, which means that the Ampere tweak worked without issues. We can also try another tweak, the 5 icon dock. Alright, you can see this tweak worked without issues. Alright, no issues whatsoever. It is possible to install TrollStore while you are jailbroken on iOS 16.7.16 using Dopamine 2 RootHide. Simply open Celio, then go to search and search for troll. So we will select TrollStore Lite, hit on get. Hit on get patcher, get again, queued, confirm, done, and then you can hit on get again and then we will convert it. Then hit on convert deb, select Celio, then hit on get again, queued and confirm. Hit on done, go back and it's there. Now you can hit the plus button and install an IPA via TrollStore Lite. Again, it will only work while your device is jailbroken. This will not survive reboot on iOS 16.7.16. Talking about setting a passcode while you are jailbroken, yes, you can set a passcode and your device will not panic. Alright, so no problems whatsoever. If you want to fix the jailbreak detection in apps, for example, you install an app and it is not working while you are jailbroken, simply install it and then head to the RootHide app. You can open it from here and then at the first tab you can simply turn it on. Go back and then open the app. It will surely work for you while you are jailbroken. If you want to troubleshoot some issues, you can go to war clean and select all and do a complete cleanup. This will fix most of your issues with the jailbreak detection. If you go to settings, you can also turn this mode on, which will automatically turn on to fix the jailbreak detection on any newly installed app. Towards the end of the video, talking about tweaks compatibility, I tried to install the cylinder reborn tweak. It did install correctly, but for me it did not work. Same is the case with iOS 15.8.8 Dopamine 2 RootHide. The tweaks like the 5 icon dock, for example, Ampere worked, but again if I try to install cylinder reborn, it did work, but there are no effects. The good thing is that the tweak to fix WhatsApp on these older devices, I tested by downgrading it and then applied the axotrol tweak on it, and it worked without issues with Dopamine 2 RootHide. Same as the case with iOS 15.8.8, you can see we have the RootHide app. It works without problem, and to install it via TrollStore, you can simply head to the official GitHub page for Dopamine 2 RootHide, and then you can go to releases, and from there you can get the Dopamine debug file, and then you can open TrollStore and then install it via TrollStore for your ease. Or you can also use the computer method, also on iOS 15.8.8. Now if you wish to remove Dopamine 2 RootHide, it is very easy to do. You can simply open the Dopamine 2 RootHide app, go to settings, and then from there you can hit remove jailbreak and continue. Once you're back on, it will be removed. Don't worry, these icons can stay, but they won't open as we removed it. You can move them to a folder, or you can try to open TrollStore and rebuild icon cache, and those icons will be gone. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.